Hello, in front of me I've got BF6. In this video I'll show you how to host server locally. To host server locally, firstly go to Community and browse server. Select host. Select mode and then select host. In the end, select host locally. Hosting locally is only available through custom portal experiences. In order to do it, let's go to Community, My Experiences, enter this QR code or portalbattlefield.com. Then set up your custom experience that will appear right here. Then simply select it and host locally. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.